Hello dear all beautiful students, welcome all to you for coming here and joining another class after the test. SMT is going on there. I know that is already completed your time on that exam. I already published the biology result, and on the basis of that criteria we were in the chapter 5 and we will go through as we demand for from this chapter. And today a very interesting topics we will discuss here, and that is actually going on through on mathematical problem like that mathematical problem on calorie. Okay, on calorie we will try to understand about the mathematical problem. So on the basis of that part we will try to understand about the mathematical problem on calorie on biology. So what are the topics we will discuss in very first time and prominent period, and that is actually going on through the calorie related calorie. Everyone, many students can give the answer about the calorie if it is asking for what is calorie. Okay, calorie is the unit of energy. You can write normally, you can write unit of energy. Calorie normally and generally you can write about the unit of energy, and there is a relation of calorie and joule. 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule. We need this one for doing the mathematics. So calorie actually what we get from the food. Very generally we can say about that calorie we get from the food, or generally we can say energy we get from the food. So energy we get from the food, and the unit of the energy is the calorie. So 1 calorie is related with the 4.2 joule. So in this way you can remember about that calorie. Okay, so calorie related math, if I ensuring that one in class 8 you know about the from carbohydrate. Look at here, there are lots of food stuff is there, and you can know the carbohydrate 1 gram food. From 1 gram food we get what amount of calorie? 1 gram food we get the 4 calorie. Then 1 gram carbohydrate, 1 gram protein 1 gram we get also the 4 calorie energy. And if it is the fat, 1 gram fat we will get 9 calorie energy. That means the carbohydrate 1 gram, when we get the carbohydrate 1 gram we get the 4 calorie energy, protein 1 gram we get the 4 calorie energy, and fat 1 gram we get the 9 calorie energy. It is related. There are many mathematical problems, not only this is one of the kinds. Okay, many of the kinds have asking for in the exam, and it is you cannot imagine about that. It is going on through the simple, look like simple, but sometimes some trickism can come in the mathematics. BMR related math also be there, hardworking BMR, many of the mathematics, but very simply which one we learn as in the class 8. It is very common to us that carbohydrate, from 1 gram carbohydrate we get the 4 calorie, from 1 gram protein we get the 4 calorie, and from 1 gram fat we get the 9 calorie. On the basis of this way we will try to understand one math. Okay, you can write Abdul Rahman take every day roti and butter in the morning breakfast. In the breakfast you can write in the breakfast he got, okay, he got 20% energy from butter, from 50 gram butter, and 55% carbohydrate from 500 gram roti, and remaining percent he got protein. Remaining percent he got protein from the food, from those food. What amount of energy in calorie and joule unit he got in total? Okay, this is the math. I have written a simple math, but it is very important. It is asking in the exam, simply it is asking on going on through. So we needed to understand about that math. What will we do in this type of math? In class 8, it is this type of math you already practiced by me. I was the class teacher, subject teacher of you on that time. So I make you understand. Okay, we will go through discussing about this one. Before that, I want to say Abid Sharia joining, walaikum salam. Jinnat Arabukul, Azmain, walaikum salam. Okay, Ramiza, walaikum salam. Ramiza needed to very careful. Your MCQ is not getting much. That means you are not studying. So hope so. You will recover this one. Jinnatun Nesa, good morning. Sir, Miftauddin, alaikum salam. Rokeya Sultana, alaikum salam. Samia Chaudhary, alaikum salam. Meherabul Aptab, alaikum salam. Iyad, alaikum salam. And Jinnatun Nisa is watching. Hope so that you are connecting as well. Very important topics we need to understand, because in chapter 5 we start the math, and this math is very important to know. And in this way I will give you a task also after sometimes. But by the way, what we need to understand, okay, I need to keep this chart, I need to learn about that, and then we have that understood. Roti and butter are the breakfast item of Mr. Abdur Rahman. He always loved to eat this one. He got 20% energy from 50 gram butter. 50 gram butter, he got 20% energy from 50 gram butter, and 55% carbohydrate from 500 gram roti. Important, very important. So 20 gram butter, 20%, that means keep it in mind, only they specify he got 20% energy from 50 gram butter. So from butter actually we know they are enriched with fat. Very first time give it solution. If we try to understand fat, he got actually what amount of fat out of 50 gram butter, what the item in front of it. Fat he got 50 gram of 20%, that means 50 into 2 by 100 to 10. So 10 gram fat he obtained from the 50 gram of butter every day morning. Okay, 10 gram fat he consumed there. Exactly 10 gram fat he consumed from 20% energy from the 50 gram butter. Now 55% carbohydrate from 500 gram roti. Carbohydrate he got, carbohydrate actually 500 gram total of 55%. So 55%. That means 500 into 55 divided by 100. 55% means 55 by 100. So we can make sure 5 is the 25, 275 gram carbohydrate. Actually, when 500 gram roti, he got energy 55% of the carbohydrate. That means he got 275 gram. In front of it, in the breakfast, 500 gram roti, but he got 55% carbohydrate. That means 275 gram carbohydrate he got from there. But third one is very important for understanding, because third one is mentioning about there. Look at here. He got protein from those food. What okay, remaining percentage. He got protein from those food. Those food means here mix up. That means if we want to go through understanding protein. So protein from those food means not specific. This 500 gram plus 50 gram. That means those food total 550 of total percentage, remaining percent. So remaining percent we will make sure here you can draw, write this one, that 500 gram plus 50 gram equal to 550 total, 550 gram out of total. Remaining percent, here percent is given, the 20% plus 55% equal to 75%. So 100 minus 75% equal to 25%. That means remaining 25% here. 20%, 55% and 100% is going on there. So 55%, 550 into 25 divided by 100. So how can we write this one? 1010 we can write and collect. So we will try to draw. If you have calculator, you can do it quick. 5 25s of 125, 5 left hand 12, 125 and 137, 125 and 12, 137 divided by 10 equal to 137.5 this gram. So this is the important one, and on that way what we will try to understand about that 137.5 gram. So this one we get. And now what amount of calorie, actually energy, we get from there, and calorie and joule unit, if we want to understand about that, very importantly we will try to understand, and very short form we try to understand about that. That is the fat. From 1 gram fat, 9 calorie. So from fat, now in the another part again, fat, that means 10 gram means 1 gram to 9 calorie, 10 gram to 10 into 9, 90 calorie energy. Then carbohydrate 275 into 4, 4 5s are 20, left in hand 2, 0, left in hand 3, this calorie. And protein is another part. Protein is also having 137.5, okay, into 4. Can you do it with calculator of you have that one, and write the comments there. Last one, 137.5 into 4. We have seen the Tahlil is joining there. Very good. Maksuda Khatun Doli, Walaikum Salam. Hope so you understand the very important topics we discuss here. And very last one, anyone write the comments after doing this in the calculator. Protein 137.5 into 4. We can do it, but actually anyone can have that calculator in you to do this one. Anyone have very important one. calculating this one, calculate that one, and last one try to marking that parts which what amount is actually going on there, what amount. Okay, which one? 550 calorie. So someone who write actually comment Mehrabul Aftab, very good. 550 calorie actually going on there. So now in total, please do it and tell me in total. We can do it, but you can, okay, 0 0 0, we will write 0 5 5 and 9 5 and 9 14 left in and 1 6 7, maybe this one if it is not doing the missing. 1740 calorie we got from this item. 1740 calorie in total he got. Mr. Abdur Rahman take 1740 calorie from the total breakfast in their food items. Okay, so it is very importantly we can know about that which way we will understand. Very important types of math we learned from here. Abdur Rahman take everyday roti and butter in the breakfast. He got 20% energy from 50 gram butter and 55% carbohydrate from 500 gram roti, and remaining percentage he got protein from those food. Those food means total butter and roti. So what amount of energy in calorie and joule unit he got in total? We know that the 50 gram of 20% energy from 50 gram, that means 50 of 20%, 10 gram fat he got from the butter. Carbohydrate 500 gram of 55%, that means 275 gram carbohydrate he got from the roti, and protein 550 gram of 25%, that means 550 into 25% is 137.5 gram. So in total 1 gram fat we get 9 calorie. So 10 gram fat is 90 calorie he got. Carbohydrate 275 into 4, that means you know that carbohydrate we get 275 gram. 1 gram carbohydrate 4 calorie, so 275 gram into 1100 calorie. And protein actually remaining part, it is understandable because on those total food means 500 gram butter plus 50 gram butter plus 500 gram roti, in total 550 gram. Look at here, and percentage he got 20% and 55% energy, that means 75% out of 100% minus 25% remaining part he got the protein. So in this way 137.5 into 4, since 1 gram equal to 4 calories, so 8 gram equal to into 4, so 8 calorie. So we in this way we can write that in total 1740 total calorie energy you got, but the relation in between them, 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule here excuse me, 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule. So in this way you can write this calorie into 4.2, that times we can convert it into joule unit. Very important math we done here. Importantly we learn very important topics and very important learn, so make it note and try to understand this one what we actually got from there, and very easily you can easily get this solution of that specific points. And importantly, it is very important, yes, actually yes, 174.2 Mehrabul Aftab Tahlil response, they are very good to see. They already did. I can do it here. 1740 into 4.2. What they write? They already mentioned 7380 joule. That means since the calorie and joule is the relation, 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule. So this calorie equal to 4 into 1740 into 4.2 joule equal to 738 joule. If it is unit, the calorie unit, joule unit. What the asking for, you must do on that way. So hope so you will do better and understanding today's very important topics. One topics we learned from there importantly, and in your book 102 it is not actually, it is HW means you practice at home. 102 page in your biology book, 102 page math is given, practice that one. Okay, it is your HW means no need to have submission here, you practice at home. That is 102 page is there is a math is given on that specific related with this type of math what I have done, but this one is very very important math. Okay, so I think you will get better understanding about the topics. So that's all about today. Practice that one, and when we meet again in the next class, till then everyone stay safe, stay sound. Allah Hafiz.